What's a dictionary? Dictionaries are different than arrays in that dictionaries have key value pairs. So given a key, it'll have a value. And we'll go through an example of that right now. So let's get out of the presentation. Let's bring up our code editor. All right, what we're going to do right now is we're going to comment this out. Now again, because we're doing this just for discovery, I don't mind doing this. I do not like seeing a lot of commented out code when we're playing with. All right, we'll create a new test. All right, we'll create a new test here, and this is test learn how dictionaries work. Okay, and we're gonna end this. Okay. And what we're going to do, all right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off by actually creating a dictionary. Now, let's just have a little look. We have a browser here that's going to show us objects. Okay. We have a little browser here. And what we're going to say is JavaScript basics, how to create dictionaries with key value pairs. And if we get into this, it actually explains that they use an object to represent a dictionary, okay? And we're going to use this. So JavaScript doesn't really have a dictionary per se. It implements it with an object. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to say const, I don't care, we'll call it object is equal to, and we're going to put a couple things in here. Let's say provinces. So AB is Alberta. SK is, oh yeah, great. SASK, Saskatchewan. And let's just put 2 provinces in for right now. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do in here is we're going to try to print one of the values. So for example, if I want to print the long name for Alberta, I would go obj and then square brackets, quote, AB. Just save this, and we're going to run that, okay? All right, so what this guy tells us now is, there it is right there, Alberta. So the council log 4242, it prints Alberta. So here's how you create an object. Here's how you get a value out of that object. The next thing we might want to do is we might want to add a new entry into there. So we would go obj, and let's say, for example, we wanted to add Manitoba. We would put the Manitoba code in, and then what we say there is that now is equal to the string Manitoba. All right. And now if we did a log of the whole thing, let's just say we wanted to say the whole thing. We'll save that and we'll run it. Notice again while I'm playing, line of code or 2, run a test, line of code or 2, and I'm just always checking to see what it's going to do. Now look at this, AB Alberta, SK Saskatchewan, MN Manitoba. That's beautiful. Now we may want to go through a loop in this one as well, and there's a whole bunch of ways that we can actually go through dictionaries and arrays and whatnot, but I'm going to just show you one. So for, and let's just say v is equal to, no, for v in obj. I think that's what the syntax is, right? And what we're going to do is we're just going to print now v. We're going to save that, and we're going to see what comes out of that. All right. What we see now is, oh, we have a failure. What the heck? What the heck is wrong? Oh, for v, what is it telling us? Syntax error. V is not defined, of course. We got to say let v in obj. Run that again. And we'll see at the very end, oh my goodness, look at this. So what it's doing, 47, it's printing AB, SK, MN, which is pretty cool. If we also wanted to print what the long name is beside that, we would then also be able to go just a comma here. Okay, and we can use obj square brackets with a V inside of it. Okay, because what the V now is it's the key entry. And so now we're going to get the key and the value out. I think this will work, actually. I actually really think it'll work. All right, so this wraps up. These two data structures become the basis of all the other complex data structures. So once you understand the basic data structures and you understand an array, which is a list, and a dictionary, which is a key value pair, you're away to the races. We can start using those tools now to begin to solve problems. All right.